HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard markup language used to create web pages and web applications. It's a fundamental building block of the World Wide Web and is essential for structuring and presenting content on the Internet. Here are some key points about HTML. 1. Markup language. HTML is a markup language, not a programming language. It's used to define the structure and elements of a web page. 2. Hypertext. HTML allows you to create links, hypertext, that connect different web pages, forming the basis for navigation on the web. 3. Structure. HTML provides a way to structure content on a web page, using elements such as headings, paragraphs, lists, and more. Elements and tags. HTML uses a system of elements and tags to define content. Elements are enclosed in angle brackets, such as backquote.